But Kate does look like a little happy 2-year-old, and she's very excited about her s'more. And she's doing her little happy dance and eating a s'more. It's very special.
Alright, it's s'mores night, and we are making them
With a flamethrower.
Ah! I can't see.
It's a flamethrower.
We're using a torch.
A flamethrower.
A flamethrower torch. That.
You're wasting.
It needs to be golden brown.
Fire.
It has to be golden.
This is valuable money that we're wasting.
But where do I put the... We got the propane going. Jamie, make mine golden. Ew, that one's burnt. Oh, those ones are gross.
You have to make your own.
Those are gross.
It's Kate and my dad and a flamethrower. It's a really heavy-duty torch. It's called the fast way. If you don't want to build a campfire, you just have a torch. It's really cold outside right now too. Right now it's September and it's like 30 degrees outside. It's freezing. And Kate has lots of clothes on, but I'm sure she's still very cold.
I got my Idaho hat on.
My s'more is really burnt. I like mine burnt more. Kate's probably doing it perfect, but my dad's gonna lose all his propane for 2 little marshmallows that Kate's doing. He's gonna have no more propane. Buster's having a good little party over there. He's finding the right spot to go to the bathroom. With the big dogs out here. Nico says, I remember s'mores. Okay, I'm gonna pause it really quick because I'm gonna take my marshmallows off. And Kate was on fire, I think. Just her s'more. But it sounded like she was on fire. I had to go restock up on marshmallows so my dad could have one since Kate's taking like 8 years to make
I've
one.
been waiting for s'mores for 2 weeks now. And I'm really excited because I finally got my s'more. But I may have to put this one in the microwave for a second because it's not very melted. We're gonna let it melt another second. Like 5 seconds. I'm really excited. I've never made these with a flamethrower before, or torch before. Oh. There we go. Melt it just a tiny bit. I don't like it when it's not hot enough to melt the chocolate. So now we got melted chocolate. And a toasted one. Let's go see how Pat's doing with the flamethrower.
So here's a close-up view of marshmallows and flamethrower. We'll see how good my dad's turn out. It might be more burnt than mine. It's a flamethrower and some marshmallows. Uh-oh, it caught on fire. My dad said he doesn't want his burnt, so he blew it out. My dad gets to make his marshmallows with the flamethrower. He's controlling it. It might fall into the ground. Uh-oh, caught on fire. Okay, it's almost ready because it's about to fall off the stick. Okay, here's my dad's perfect marshmallows. And there's the flamethrower.
Did you make enough?
And there's Kate's. Kate's not done. She's back for seconds. Okay, so Kate was back for seconds, but it's now a little baby flamethrower. My dad's going to try to finish his. She's going for 2 s'mores. But Kate is trying to make up for lost days since my dad wouldn't make her s'mores or wouldn't get his torch out. So this is our second trip to Idaho in 2 weeks, and we waited till the last day to finally make s'mores. I told my dad that Kate was not going to let us come back if we didn't make s'mores, so then my dad agreed to let us make s'mores on the last night. Because we bought the stuff for s'mores on the very first night we came here, which is 2 weeks ago. And on our first trip, we had no time to make s'mores. And then we had to wait till the very last day on our second trip. And we had to, like, coax my dad into letting us do the s'mores. Kate's, like, probably the longest marshmallow cooker ever because she's, quite possibly the slowest person ever with making a s'more. It better be very perfect because she's taking a while. And Kate's leaving the torch on, which is wasting, propane. Well, you just turn a little knob, probably. Okay, so I'm gonna pause the video. Well, actually, let's watch and see if Kate can figure out how to turn off the torch. We'll count the seconds. Oh, didn't take long. Except there's still a little baby flame. Yay, Kate turned off the torch. Good job, Kate. And apparently there's no more chocolate because Kate hid it.
I did not. There they go. Teamwork over here. Ooh, look how burnt those...
Oh, jeez.
That was a very dramatic... Huh?
Look at my dad's.
Uh-oh. They're all like
it's
falling.
dropping. Look at it go.
No, it's gonna drop on the carpet.
Can it get to the finish line?
You should get over the plate before it falls on the carpet.
What you got?
Your marshmallow's about to fall. It's gonna get on my computer. Ah, Pat's blocking the view. No. Alright, Pat's making his burnt marshmallows. Look at Buster, looks very, very curious about this. Buster's super intrigued. Jojo, you're so chill. What are you thinking? What are you thinking, Jojo? Yeah? You're not really sure what to think, are you? This is the most calm I've ever seen you, Jojo. Buster's super curious. I put mine in the microwave for another second. What do you think, Jamie?
S'mores are good. No one knows where to look for the chocolate. You want to keep it cold. It's better when the chocolate's cold. Okay, so here's Kate. She's making her s'more. If you didn't know what a s'more was, it happens to be a graham cracker, a roasted marshmallow, and chocolate. So Kate made like 5 s'mores because she's just using 1 marshmallow per each. And Kate is now eating her marshmallow at the s'more. And we'll give you guys Kate's reaction of her s'more. See if she liked it or not. This is a close-up version of Kate's head, in case you were wondering. It's very, very close. And it's her head, with her cool little hat on. And Kate's giving us no feedback on how her s'more is tasting, or just her marshmallow. Her hands are nice and sticky, like how a marshmallow should be. Nico's eyes are glowing red. He looks like he's like a haunted dog. And Jasper's eyes are glowing red too, and so are Nico's. I think we might all die, because all the dogs' eyes are glowing red. They look like they're in a scary movie, which makes it really cool looking. And here they come. They're coming to attack with their bloodshot eyes. They're going to eat Kate's hands. They start with licking, and then it goes to biting off her fingers. Kate is going to be turning into a scary monster. But Kate does look like a little happy 2-year-old, and she's very excited about her s'more. And she's doing her little happy dance and eating a s'more. It's very special. My phone is now marshmallowing because I was trying to zoom out because I was just getting Kate's head. The dogs are also very happy. They're wagging their tails because they're inside and it's cold outside. But they're huskies. They're huskies, so they don't really care about the cold. And Jojo's even sitting down. Okay. So, Kate, do you have any final thoughts about your s'more adventure?
Yay for s'mores.
She said yay for s'mores.
It's more fun with flames.
I learned about s'mores from the movie Sandlot. And it was very catchy. I can't remember what they said. Look guys, it's a s'more. It's a s'more. Yay for s'mores.
Yay for s'mores.
They finally came.
I have the cooler s'more hat on though.
Yep.
James doesn't have a cool s'more making hat.
Nope.
He's not in the mood.
Not in the mood.
In the festive spirit of s'more making.
Look at Buster.
Buster's really interested in s'mores too.
He's more interested in not dying.
He doesn't want to die from the doggies. Buster, say hi. You're so cute. I love you. This is the only place we ever eat s'mores.
Your dad's house is
So,
known for s'mores.
continuing our tradition of eating s'mores in Idaho. We're all gonna enjoy our s'mores.
You should go make a s'more too.
Say hi, Pat. Nope, Pat's not being social.
Get outdoors and make a s'more. Doesn't rhyme.
Nope, that doesn't rhyme, but that's okay. Go make a s'more and be happy. And wear your s'more making hat.
And then eat some more s'mores.
And put a thumbs up in the comments if you think James needs to buy me one of these hats.
Huh. Or if you think she should just steal this hat.
No, Pat would notice it was gone.
A
Okay.
gift.
That's not moving snow hat.
I guess my dad knows what a gift would be. A good gift for Christmas would be.
I want a snowmobiling hat with the earmuffs.
Huh.
And it has little clippies and it clips on top.
It's warm.
Yep, it's my new hat when I stay in Idaho.
It snows.
Okay. Bye, everybody. S'more time. And Jackbox time. Say bye, puppies. There's Joy Joy.
We'll go to the show. Okay.
Alright, bye, everybody.